How to view IBAN number on HSBC app. So the first thing that you do is, of course, pull up your application from HSBC and make sure that you're running the latest version so you'll not encounter any problems in the future. Once you have successfully logged in using your credentials, if you only have one account with HSBC, then your IBAN number is easy to find. So usually it is located under your profile if you only have one account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, then please do select the account that you would like to view the IBAN number. So it is actually not indicated as IBAN. So what you want to do is to pull up that account that you want to view the IBAN number and just click on view bank statements. So this is going to be all the information you need, including your account number. It is included on your bank statements. So if you would like to view your IBAN number again, just pull up your account that you would like to view it, and it is located on your bank statements. And that's it. That's how easy and straightforward you can get or view your IBAN number on HSBC app.